Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide how you can create your own website for 100% free. So if you want to create your own website, all you just need to do is to watch this video. So I will show you how you can create your blogging website or your affiliate marketing website. So if you want to create any type of this website, you just need to watch this video to learn how. But first, let me show you the type of website I'm going to show you how you can create today. So this is the type of website that you are going to create today. So as you can see, this is the website that I'm going to show you how you can create today. So this is the type of website you are going to learn how to create today. It's very simple. There is nothing difficult on this strategy. So you just need to watch this video to learn how you can create this type of website for 100% free. So I have done everything and you can do it. As long as I can do it, you can do it too. Once you are done creating this your website, you can start blogging on this your website, promoting affiliate program. You can join AdSense program where you are going to be monetizing this your website with AdSense and make money every single month. So that is a good thing when you start blogging online. So let me take you now to the place where we are going to create this type of website. So as you can see on the screen, this is Blogger Spot or blogger.com. So on this blogger.com, what you have to do is to create this type of website on this blogger.com platform. So as you can see, once you land on blogger.com or bloggerspot, this is what you are going to see. This platform is owned by Google and anyone can use it to create their own website. So once you come here, what you have to do is to just scroll down and select your language. That is the first thing I recommend that anyone should do before you start creating this your blog. And one thing I want to talk about, you can see on Bloggerspot, they are even letting us to know earn money, get paid for your hard work. Google AdSense can automatically display relevant targeted ad on your blog so that you can earn income by posting about your passion, which means you are going to make money once you have this your website created by you. So just keep on watching. Let me show you. So the first thing you need to do is to click on this part where it said create your blog. So I will click on create your blog. So once you click on it, here it's going to take you to this part where it's going to be asking you about the Gmail you want to use to create this your blogging website. So I'm going to use this my Gmail here. So once I click on that, the first thing is going to be asking us, it says choose a name for your blog. So the name we want to use for this our blog. Normally, when you are creating any website at all, I recommend everyone to use their name to create their website. But for the example or for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use kind of a random name or a keyword or a niche. So I'm going to use this name here, which is, so I'll just use work cash pay us, and I will click on next. And here you are going to choose the address that you want this your website to carry, which is the URL, what people are going to be searching on Google, and this your website is going to be displaying. We are just going to use the same name too. So I'm going to use work cash pay us. If it's not available, it's going to tell you that it's not available, but as you can see, is available. So all I just need to do is to click on next. So once I click on next, it's going to ask us the name that we want this our website to be displaying every time we comment, we share, or we publish anything. Which name do we want this our website to be displaying to our visitor or our viewers or our client? So what we have to do is to enter a name. I'm just going to see you. So I'll just use work cash pay us, and I will click on the part where it said finish. So we are just going to be patient. You can see it's processing and it's creating this our blog for us. Congratulations, you have just created your website. So let us now look how this our website look. Let us see. So the first thing you have to do is to just scroll down here and click on the part where it said view blog. So once I click on view blog, this is not how our website look, but this is what I'm going to make your website to look like. So this is the type of website that you are going to create today, that I'm going to show you how to create. So when I'm done, this is how your website is going to be looking like. So let us go back now. So the first thing we have to do is to install a theme. So for those of you who don't have money to buy a good, affordable, or a good design theme that you just saw just now, you just need to leave me a comment, or you can click the second link below this video. It will take you to where you are going to download the theme unstrat that theme and follow the process of how you can install this theme on this your blogger spot platform. So I will click on the part where it said theme. So once you click on theme here, it's going to show you a lot of other themes that you can just like activate, and immediately you will see that your website will change its form. But this is now our current website, so we want it to look good, want it to look different, and we can design it to make it to look to what we want. So since I have installed that theme that I'm talking about, I say you should download in the description to make your website to look like this. You will have it once you download it in the description, which is the second link. So what I have to do now is to install the theme. I'll click on this icon here, this drop down icon, and it's going to pop this up. You will see backup, you will see restore. I'll click on restore. Once I click on restore, it's going to show this up. You can upload a theme from a file on your computer. I'll click on upload, and it's going to bring us here. So what we have to do, click on download. For you, you just need to go and search for where you install the file. So this is where I install my own file. I will click on that, double click, and this is the name you are going to find on that your theme once we have unstrated. So this is the file, this is the name here, Megspot. So once you click on Megspot, it's going to open. Click on that and open. And once you click on it, it's going to be showing reinstalling theme. So that is what you are going to see. And once it's done, you are going to see that your website is going to be displaying in another way. So I'll click on view, just scroll down here, click on view blog. Voila. So this is now how our website look. So you can see now, this is how our website look now. So what we have to do now is to start changing the theme of this, our blogging website. So this is how it look. And we are going to change every single thing that you are seeing here. So what we have to do now is to go back to our dashboard on our Blogger account. And we are going to click on the part where it said layout. That is where you are going to redesign this your website to make it to look to exactly to what you want. So here, the first thing I like us to change is the logo. I will click on this part where it said header logo. I will click on that. And once you click on that, this is the current logo. And I will click on the part where it said upload. Just scroll down and you see the part where it said choose file. I'll click on that. And here it's asking us to choose the logo that we want to use. I'll click on that. I will just go and look for the logo. The logo is here, and I'll choose this one here. This is just for example. You just need to go and create your logo on Canva. It's very simple. And all you just need to do is to be patient, and your logo will be uploaded. So all you just need to do is to click on the part where it said save, but you can look at the type of logo that you can create, which is 150 pixel wide. So I'll click on save. So once I click on that, and we are going to go back to our website, I will click on refresh. So this is now our logo. You can see that our logo have changed from the current one to this one. So you can see all these mega menu. We can remove them and add our own mega menu that we want. So what we have to do is to click on this icon. What you have to do again is to scroll down. You find a part where it said header menu. Click on this kind of a pen icon, and it's going to pop this up. You are going to find all the menu that is available. So I'm going to delete every one of them here, and I'll click on save. And if we go back again now, refresh, every one of the menu have been uninstalled or be deleted. So go back to add your own menu, click on the same place. Once you click on it, just scroll down and click on the part where it said add new item. Click on that, scroll down and name it as home. Name it as home, and you enter, you need to go back to that your website, which is this one, and click on your logo and copy the URL of this your home page, which is once you have clicked on your logo, go back and paste the URL here, so that when they click on that your home page, it will now take them directly to home page. So I will click on that and click on save, and I will click on save again. And if we go back to now to our website, and I'll click on refresh, so you can see if I click on home, it's now taking us to home, and it's still showing home page. So what we can do now here is to go back again and add more menus. So I will add like 2 menus in just a second. Come back again, click on where it said add new item. So I'll add 2 menus in just a second, but I'll fast forward this part. So now that we have added like online business, make money online websites. So I'll click on the part where it said save. So if we click on save, we'll go back now to our website. If I click on refresh, so it's now going to be showing home, online business, make money, online website. So now that we have done that, we have to go back again to our website. We are going to come to send all this, our menu, to a particular URL, but we just need to leave that for now. I will show you how you can do that later when we have started creating blog. So what you can do is to off every part of the page that you can see on the platform. You can see there's a lot of page at the bottom. So what we can do now is to off each one of them. So what we can do is to go back to layout and off them. So what we can do, this trend new page, what you can do is to click on this, click on it here, just click this icon and you click on this and off it. So that is how you can off every one of them. So all these are the sidebar items that is showing. So when we go to our website and we scroll down, these are the sidebar. See the social media. You can add your own social media sidebar here. You can add all your social media links, so that when they click on each one of like Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, when they click on them, it will take them to that particular one. So we'll need to go back here and we need to off that main chip, which is this one here. We need to off like comment, and we need to look at every one of them that is showing. For the social media ones, you can off them or you can leave them. So for the travel one too, we need to off this one here. Click on save, and we need to off, you can off this one, popular posts. So you can decide if you want to leave this or you can off it. So I will just leave this for the purpose of this video. So if you click on the social media icon, you scroll down here, you are going to find all the social media icon that they have entered. So how to change them, just click on any one of them here. Let's also want to change for Facebook. I'll click on that, and here you are going to enter social media name, and it is what is now going to be showing, or is the link that is going to be taking them to anytime they are trying to click on the link. So it's going to take them here, but I'm just going to leave everything just like the way it is, but you know how you can do that for the post. And when we start creating blogs, you will see that the blog post will start displaying. So when I click on refresh now, you will see that a lot of things are going to disappear. So we only have the popular post and follow us on the sidebar of this our blog. So now I think our website is now looking good a bit. So what I want us to do here now is to change everything that you are seeing here on the home page. You can see the video, console, mobile, car news. So all those things, we need to off them. Go back again, just scroll down to the bottom too. Just scroll down to the bottom and you can see the console, video, all those things that is showing. All you just need to do is to click on each one of them and off them. You can come and add them later if you know that they are useful to you. You can just come here and add them back later. But for me, I'm just going to off them for the purpose of this video. So I'm just going to off, click on these two and click on off and click on off. So once it's done, so everything is okay, everything is fine by me. These are the things that is showing on the footer of the website, which is something that you need to work on. So this part here is said blog post. So this is what is going to be showing in the middle of this our blog post here. So this is what is going to be displaying here. So when I click on, I refresh it, you will see that everything have disappeared. It's just remaining all these old things. So to remove all these old things that is showing at the bottom, but I'm not going to remove it. I'm just going to redesign it to make it look to what I'm looking for. So what you can do here now is to click on, go back again to the home page here and scroll down, just scroll down to the bottom here. Scroll down to the bottom and you need to click on the part here it said copyright footer. Once you click on it, you can add your own URL here if you want. And once you add it, this is what is showing on the footer of that your blogging website. So what we can do here now is to remove this thing here. You can see, let us say you come to this place. This is what is showing here. Powered by Bloggerspot, powered by this, that, powered by this, that. So what we can do now is to go back and here where it said blogger, we are going to put World Cash Pay Us. And if we click on World Cash Pay Us, we are just going to do the same thing on this part too. Or we can just remove this completely. We are just going to click on save and let us go and see what is going to display for us. Let us see. So as you can see, it say designed by Work Cash Pay Us, which is something that we want. So what we need to do now is to remove this about us and this logo that is showing here. Go back again and just scroll down, and you need to look at a part where it said about us, which is this one here. Click on it, click on this icon here, and about us. What you can do is to use the template here, the official website here. So I will copy all these whole things here. I'll copy, and go back. But for you, you need to write about you. I'm just using this one just for the purpose of this tutorial. You can use your own. Don't use that, just use your own. So what we can do here now is to go and upload our logo again. I will click on this, our logo, and I will click on that, and I will click on this part and click on save, and let us go back to our website, and we are going to refresh. And as you can see, this is what is now showing on our blog. So we need to go back again. For the social media icon that you are seeing there, what you can do again, we just need to leave that, just allow it to be like that. The Instagram and Pinterest, which is these things here that you can see here, all these ones here, you know that you can change them to look to your own. So how to do that? You can change them to become your own. What you can do on that is to go back again to this home page and change the URL. You don't need to delete them, but you can delete them if you want. Let us say I delete Pinterest, and you can see that Pinterest was showing here. This is the Pinterest icon. So when I delete, now that I've deleted Pinterest, I will click on save here. And if we go back now and refresh it, you will see that Pinterest is going to disappear. It's remaining only Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. So that is how you can change all these other things. So what you can do again is to the footer menu, which is privacy policy, contact us page, and all these other things. So I will show you how you can create them. So all these ones, you can see that they are just like this, and there is no URL. So if you click on them, is not going to work. So you can just leave all these other things like this. We don't need to regenerate them again. But if you want to add new, you can just click add a new item, and you are going to add the page that you want to be displaying at the footer of that your website. So that is one thing. So if you are enjoying this video, guys, only what I will ask from you is to just hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This will really help me a lot on the footer of this your website, which is this here. So these are the things that I'm talking about. This is the home, about us, privacy policy, and contact us page. So I will show you how you can do that later. But now that you know all these whole things here, you just need to scroll back. All these category, main tags. So all these whole things, you can change them if you want, but you can leave them. Those are the things that is going to be displaying under your blog that you have written. So now that you know how all these whole things work, I just want you to go now and create your blog. So if we come now to this our blogging website, you can see that everything is changing and everything is looking to what we want. You can see this menu that is displaying at the top here. We can remove that by clicking here and going to the bottom here, going to the top here. You can see where it said top bar menu. So you can see top bar page, which is the menu that you are seeing on this part here. So when I click here, you can see this is the top bar menu. So click on it and click on this part here and click on off if you want to off. If you don't want to off, you want to change the name, you can just bring your mouse down and roll it down, and you can find the home, about us, privacy policy, contact us. So we don't want that. We just need to click on save. And now that we have off it, if we come back now and refresh it, you will see that it have disappeared. So it's not there anymore. We just have only the social media icon here, and if they click on it, it's going to take them to our website, which is this one here. So that is how you can change everything to look to exactly to what you want. So to change the banner, you can see this banner on the website, the main website that I created earlier. So this is the website. So this banner here, to get this type of banner, what you can do, you can go to a place like Impact, CJ to get your affiliate program to have this type of banner. So I'm just going to go to Impact to get a banner. So I'll go to Impact now and click on content, and you need to go to asset, and it's going to show you the banners that they have for all these affiliate programs that you have joined. So I will click on this AppSumo one. I will click on that, and once it opens here, what you need to do is to copy the add code, which is once you get add code. So once you click on get add code, just copy every single one of them here. So once you copy them, just go back to that your blogging website where you are designing, which is here. Come back here and click on this part where it said you should edit it. Once you click on this icon here, it's going to pop it up. So what you just have to do is to like change each one of these like code. So remove that code and you enter your new code and you click on save. And if we go to our website now, I will refresh. Oh, the reason why it did not show because it was off, so we need to on it. So we need to make sure it's on, and I will click on save. So that is why it did not work. So we'll go back again. I will click on refresh, and as you can see, this is now what is showing on our website. So if anyone click on this banner, it's going to take them to this website which is called Snackket, and we are going to get paid if they buy these SEO tools or these two on the platform. So that is how you can like add a banner if you want to add a banner, which is something good, which you can refer it to affiliate program, something very, very good. So now that you see, we have got this banner here, which is this one here. So the next thing we have to do is to get this blog that you are seeing at the bottom here. To get this, we need to create our own blog. So what we can do now is to use our blog. So I will just click on this my blog here, and I will copy every one of the blog just to make sure that we have everything. So for you, you can go and write a blog, but all these old blog I'm just doing is just for example. Everything I'm showing you here is just for educational purpose. You can go and write your own blog. So I'll click on this part and I'll go back to the part where it said blogs. So once I click on blogs here, I'll click on the part where it said new post. So once I click on that, it's going to open up a new page for us. So what you just need to do is to paste in the blog. And now that you have pasted in the blog, to make sure that this blog is looking good, click on that and select it all. And you need to click on this icon here. And you need to select a font. So I'll click on add more fonts. The fonts I'm looking for is Poppins. So I'm going to search for Poppins. So once I click on Poppins here, and I will click on select, and I will select Poppins. So once I click on Poppins, this is now how our blog is now looking like. So now that we have our blog, we need to set a title. So once we have done that, what we need to do now is to add a label. So we need to call the label according to the label that we have here, which is online business. So what I can call this now is online business. I will call this my first label, online business. So once I type in online business, all I just need to do is to click on OK. And once you have clicked on OK, the next thing we have to do is to add a feature image. So to add a feature image, bring this mouse down. So as you can see, our feature image have been added. So all I just need to do is to increase it to look to exactly to how I want it to look. We can say, okay, that this is now our feature image. We have added our label, and we just need to scroll down here, and you need to click on this part where it said permalink, and you can select a custom URL. You can just enter a custom URL, or you can leave this automatic permalink. I love leaving it on automatic permalink. And once you are done with that, what you have to do now is to click on the part where it said publish. So I will click on publish just for the purpose of this video. So now that we have this our blog now, but you need to make sure you write your blog properly, make it to look exactly to what you want. So once you're okay with it, you just need to click on publish and click on publish again. This is just for the purpose of this video, so I just want you to understand that. So I will go back again, and you have to click on the part where it said refresh. So you need to refresh the page. So once you click on refresh, this is now our first blog. So you can see how it look now. So you can see that our blog is not looking good. So all you just need to do is to go back and start writing more blog like this, and you will start having all of them displaying just like what you are seeing on the on this official website here, which is this one here. So you are going to have something like that. So now that you have the idea of what I'm trying to create, when you even scroll down, you will see that the latest blog post have started displaying here, and the popular post have started displaying here too. But because we off it, that is why you see that it's not showing here. So what we can do is to go back to this part and click on layout. And once you click on layout, you need to scroll down to that particular part, which is this one here. So once you click on it, here you are going to click on the post that is the latest post, or you can click on the all-time post. So I will click on all-time post. So when I click on all-time post and save, so when I go back and I refresh this page, it's going to start showing at the bottom here. You can see this one have start showing, and more we add more posts, everything is going to start showing here. So for the category that we want to be showing here, what we can do is to go back to this part. So let us off these main tags. So we are going to go back here and scroll down to the bottom. Just scroll down to the bottom, and you are going to find a part where it said main tags, which is this one here. Click on that, and you need to make sure you click on off, don't show. So once you click on that, if you come back and refresh, this is going to disappear. You can see it have disappeared. It's remaining just the category. So we need to click here again, click on the part where it said category, and we need to make sure that it's showing all category. And if we click on save, so we go back again to our website and click on refresh. So you can see the category that we created is not showing here. So to make sure that this category is working, we need to click on category, and we need to copy the URL of this our category. So we need to copy it. That is one thing I told you that I will show you if you remember in the beginning of this video. Copy the URL, click on this part, and go back again to that your main menu. So which is here. Come to this your main menu that is displaying at the top. So this is your main menu. So all this here is your main menu. So remember I told you that if you click on it now, it's not showing anything. So we need to make sure that it's showing. So how to do that? Click on this part, go back to your layout, and click on where it said header menu, and click on this icon, and just scroll down until you get to the one where the part where it said online business. Click on it like you want to edit it, and scroll down and enter the URL, which is this one here. Paste in that URL you copied for that your label. Click on that and click on save. So if we come to our website and we refresh, if I click on this one now, you can see it's now showing us our the blog that we have on this particular category. So you can see now that it's showing the category. When I click on it, it's going to be showing the name of the person that is blogging on this website, which is Work Cash Pay Us, which is the name, and he posted this blog March 18, 2024. And if you scroll down here, this is the blog, and that is how you can do that. So if you want to add like a drop down menu at the bottom here, so all you just need to do is to go to the same thing that we have done, go back to the home page here, just design everything to look to exactly to what you want. You can decide if you want a sidebar, much sidebar. So if you click on this icon again here, if you want category to be displaying on this part here, which you can see category on the sidebar, go back to your same sidebar page on the layout and go to the part where it said category, and you need to scroll down and click on where it said check all label and click on save. So if we come back again to our main website, if you click on refresh, you can see it's going to start showing our latest blog on the sidebar, and if you scroll down, it's going to be showing the category of this our blog here. So that is one thing I want you to understand here. If we come back to the menu, it's going to be showing the same thing. So you can see your social media blogs, and you can see the latest blog here, and you can see the category of the blogs that you have, which is the same thing that you can find here. So I will not just go through every single thing and create like the same amount of blog that I have on this platform. It's just to show you that you can do the same thing and how you can do it. So you can see now that we have this our blog working on this our official website. So you see everything that I said that is going to happen, everything I'll start showing on this your blogging website. So there is many something that I want to show you, which is how you can create your page. So all these page that you can see, if you click on them, they are not going to show anything. So how you can create your contact us page and other things, that is what I'm going to show you on this next part. So I will click on this part and I will have to go to the part where it said page. So once I click on page here, what I need to do here now is to click on add new page. So we are going to call this contact us. We're going to call it contact us, and we are going to click on like publish. We're just going to click on publish, and we are going to click on the next one again. We are going to call it like privacy policy. So for the about us, we just need to paste in the about us direct. You can add in more content on about us if you want later, but let us just add everything and allow everything to go. I'll just leave everything like that, and I will click on save and publish. So once we have done that, so what we can do is to add in the content, how to create your privacy policy and terms of use page. So how to create it is what I want to show you now. So you can do that on this platform. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you can go to Google and search for terms of use generate free to. So what is going to pop up terms of use generator for free. So they are just going to generate your terms of use, company name, which is the name of your website, your email address, enter your information here and enter your website name here, and immediately it's going to take you to your terms of use page, so which can be this one. So all you just need to do now is to copy every one of the blog that they have the content that they have generated for you. Copy every one of them and go and paste it on that your website, which is this one. So I will just click on copy. So I will copy it and I will go back to that my blogging website, and I'm just going to add it on terms of use, so which is this one here. I'm just going to paste in the word here, and yeah, so you can just organize everything and make it to look good to what you want. So all I'm just going to do is to put in my mouse here so that I will select everything. Just put in my mouse here, click on select all, and I will click on font and I will click on pop-ins. So as you can see, it have make it to look at least a little bit good. You can just put in space on the privacy policy and terms of use, make it look good, and you click on save and it will be updated. So it's the same thing you are going to do for the second one too. Come to this platform and come to Google and search for privacy policy. So once you search for privacy policy, you just need to click on generate and privacy policy to click on search, and it's going to pop up the same Shopify privacy policy generator. Click on that and you just need to follow the process again. Just scroll down, enter all your information, and you click on generate, and it's going to be generated for you. And all you just need to do is to copy every one of the content that the tool have generated for you and go back to that your website and paste it there, and that is all you just have to do. So once you have copied every one of the word, so copy every one of the word here and go back to that your blogger platform, which is this one, and click on the privacy policy and paste it here, and paste everything here and select all again, just like we did on the last one, and click on select all, and you click on this icon again and change the fonts to pop-ins to make it look a little bit good, and you need to click on save, and it will be updated on that your blogging website. So the next thing you have to do again is for the contact us page. So for the contact us page is what I'm going to show you how you can fix. So to fix this your contact us page, you need to pay attention to this one. What you need to do is to go to my own website. So you see contact us from, all you just need to do is to click on download, and it's going to take you to this code here. So all you just need to do is to copy all these whole codes. So copy every one of the code here, copy every one of them. So once you have copied it, go back to that your blogging website, click on contact us. So how to do this, what you have to do here is to click on this icon here. So when you click on this icon, you will see HTML view and you will see compose view. So we are going to click HTML view. So once I click on that, it's going to open up this. I will just remove this here and I'll paste in that code that I just copied. So I'll paste in this code. So now that we have pasted in this code, all we just need to do is to click on this part where it said update, and it's going to be updated, and we are going to go back. So we are going to still come back to contact us page, but the next thing I want us to do is to copy the your blogger ID. So you need to copy this your blogger ID at the top here. So just copy this your blogger ID here. So this is my own blogger ID. I will copy that. So now that you have copied that, go back to your contact us page, because I want you to change a particular code on this code that you just pasted on this your contact us page. So what you have to do now is to scroll down, and you need to look for a particular part where it said blog ID. So which is this part here. You can see this part where it said blog ID. I want you to just copy right the numbers only. So I'll just copy only the numbers, and I'm just going to paste in that my blogger ID that I just copied. I will paste in this. So as you can see, I have pasted in this my blogger ID. All I just need to do is to click on update, and that is all. So you have now your contact us page available on this your blogger website. So go back. So to see that, all you just need to do is to click on the part where it said view. So once you click on view, this is now how it looks. Here you are going to enter your name. Here you are going to enter your email address and enter your message, and that is so. Let us say I just put like Chris, and I'll just scroll down here and I'll put my email Chris, and here I'm just going to type in. So once I type in how are you doing, I click on send. So you will see your message has been sent. So that is all, and that is everything you just need to do. So let us leave this page open because we are going to use it later again. So we are going to open all these whole page. We are going to open about us, terms of use, privacy policy. So I'm going to click this eye icon here, and it's going to open our contact us page. I'm going to go back to terms of use. I'm going to click that. It's going to open up. I'm going to click on again on privacy policy. Is going to open up. Then I'm going to go back to the dashboard on our blogger dashboard here. So what you have to do here now is to click on the part where it said layout. So once you click on layout, you need to scroll down to the bottom. Why I open all those pages, I want us to send the URL of those our contact us page, about us, terms of use and privacy policy, so that anytime they click on the link, it's going to reflect to, it's going to take them to about us page, contact us page, and terms of use page. So you will see the part where it said footer menu, and you need to click on it. So once you click on it, just scroll it down, and here you are going to change the URL. Terms of use, you need to change the URL. About us, you need to change the URL. So to change it, let me just show you for example. Let us say for example you need to change like terms of use page, terms of use URL. Click on this editing icon, go to terms of use and copy the URL. So copy this URL here. So once you copy it, go back again to that your blogger dashboard and remove this current URL here and paste in the current one. And once you do that, you click on save and you click on save again. So once you have done this, everything will be updated. Anytime they click on that your contact us page or about us page, it's going to take them to that particular page that we have created, which is those ones here. So that is everything. So I'm going to close all these old page since you already understand what I'm trying to talk about here. So you can go and do every one of the page that you have created, and they are going to be displayed. So let us go to our website. I will click on now refresh. If you scroll down now, if anyone click on all these page that you can see at the bottom here, they are going to display on the particular one. Let us say I click on terms of use. So you can see take us directly to the terms of use page, and that is everything. This is really good. You need to have your privacy policy and terms of use, and about us and a contact us page. This is something that Google wants us to have on our website. So now that we have it, we just need to go back to home page here, and we'll go back to our dashboard. So now that we are through with all these old things, we have added our blog, we have added our page. So the next thing we have to do is to make sure that this our website is available or is on Google search engine. So to make sure that this our website is available on Google search engine, click on settings. So once you click on settings, what we have to do here now is to enter a description. So I will just go and copy kind of about us page of the official website that I'm talking about. So this is the official website. I will just copy about us page here. I'm just going to take this just for the purpose of this video. This is just for example for you. You can just write something about yourself, about the website that you have or you want to be blogging about. So click on the description part and paste in the content here. Paste in just about you and click on save. And once you have done that, then you need to scroll down. Just scroll down and you need to make sure that privacy is visible. So visible to search engine, make sure that it's on. If this is not on, this your blog will not display or will not show to Google search engine. So you need to make sure that it's on. Just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. So which is this one here. Make sure that mental tags is enabled. Make sure that it's enabled, and you click on the part where it said search description. Click on that, and you need to paste in your about your website. Just enter a few description about that your website. So I'm just going to enter this and I will click on that. So I'm just going to say we have been working online as an affiliate marketing. My goal is to make people discover new product and service. So I'll click on save. And yeah, so now that I've done all these whole things that I just showed you, then we are good to go. So now that you have all these whole things set, then your website is now available to Google search engine. So guys, on this part, I'm going to show you how you can set up your website so that your website will start ranking on Google. So what we have to do, we need to crawl our website and we need to submit our website to sitemap, which is Google search engine, and we need to connect our website to Google Analytics account. So the next thing we have to do now is what I just talked about. So the first thing we have to do is to crawl our website. So to crawl our website, click on settings here. Once you click on settings, just scroll down to the part where it said crawler and indexing. So I will just go and look for that. Just scroll down until you find this part where it said crawlers and indexing. So on this part, what we have to do is to make sure that enable custom robots.txt is off. We need to turn it off at this moment. We can turn it on later, but at this moment, you need to make sure that you turn it off. So just copy robots.txt, copy that, and go to that your official website, or you can just scroll down here and click on where it said view blog. So once you click on that, it's going to open your blog. What you have to do, you need to put slash, just put slash, and you need to put in robot.txt, which is what you can see on the screen here. So once you enter that, what you just have to do is to click on enter from your computer. So once I click on enter, this is now your sitemap URL. This is your sitemap URL. What you just have to do is to copy this part here. Copy this part. Once you copy it, you need to go to your Search Console website. So once you go to your Search Console website, where you are going to submit this your website to Google, is this one here. So once you come to Search Console, this is how it looks, and once you come to the website, this is what you are just going to see once you log in with your Gmail account. Once you paste in that your URL here, and you need to click on continue, ownership auto verified, verification method, affiliate product. So what you just have to do here now is to click on where the part where it said go to property. So it's going to tell you that sitemap or Google Search Console is collecting data from that your website. That is one thing that is going to be telling you on the dashboard here. So you are not going to see anything just like what you are seeing on my own. So the next thing you have to do is to click on the part where it said sitemap, this part here. Once you click on sitemap here, what you have to do is to go back to that page that we did not close, where we went to crawl our website to give us a particular sitemap URL. So go to that page, which is this one here. So once you come here, what you just have to do is to copy this URL here, which is this part here. Just copy this part, not all of them, but this part where it said sitemap.sml. So once you copy that, go back to that your sitemap app here, or sitemap website, which is this part here. Once you click here, enter here, so you need to paste in that part. So just paste in that part of the URL, which is this one here. So once you have done that, the next thing you have to do is to click on the part here it said submit. So once you click on that, sitemap submitted successfully. Once you see this, all you just need to do is to click on the part where it said dismiss. So you are going to be seeing status, or at the bottom of status you'll be seeing success. So once you see this, you know that your sitemap or your website is connected to your Google Search Console. So once you see this here, so that is one thing I want you to understand here, and that is how you can connect your sitemap to that your website. The next thing we are going to do now is to connect our website to our Google Analytics account. So we are going to connect our website to our Google Analytics account. So what we have to do now is to click on go to Analytics. So once you come to Google Analytics, what you are going to be seeing here is welcome to Google Analytics, and you will see start measuring. So you just need to click on start measuring. So once you click on it, it's going to pop this up. Here it's going to ask you for your website name. I'm going to type work. So once I type in that, you just need to scroll down and accept Google product and service. So just scroll down and click on next. So once you do that, here again you are going to enter, say property name, we are going to call it again. So we are going to type in that same name again. No. So once you have typed in that, click on the part here it said reporting time zone. Click on that and select your country here. So you can say okay, select this country here. And at the bottom here we are going to select the currency of the country. So I'll just select the currency, which is euro, and I will click on euro. So it's okay. The next thing we are just going to click on next. So once you click on next, here is going to be asking you the industry. We are just going to click here. You can just choose the industry of what you want to be blogging about. You can just click art and entertainment, and here you are going to select the number of employee on this your blogging business. We are going to say 1 to 10, and we are going to click on next. And here they are going to ask you about the objective of this your business. So you just need to select like few of them here. You can just select like 3. So I will just select like 3, and I will just scroll down here and I will click on the part where it said create. So it's going to start creating these things for this our Google and our Google Analytics account for us. We are going to click on this part where it said we should select our region or country. I'll click on that, and you are going to select that your country again and click on select. So once you have selected your country, come down here and accept the terms of condition, accept the terms of condition, and just scroll down, accept the terms of condition again, and here you are going to click on accept, and it's going to start generating this your Google Analytics account for you. So here it's going to ask you choose a platform, either you are using web application or yours, which is iPhone or whatever they call it. So we are going to click on web because we are just a blogger, which is we have a website and we are blogging there. So we'll click on web. So once you click on web, the next thing you have to see here, it will ask you for your website name. So what we have to do is to go to our website, which is this one here, copy the URL here, just copy your website URL and go to this part again, and here you are going to type in that your website. So I'm just going to type in this, and here you are going to type in your website name. So your screen name, you are going to type, sorry about that, that's capital letter. You're going to type work. So we have typed work cash pay us. So once we have done that, all we just need to do now is to click on the part where it said create stream. So once you click on create stream, it's going to create our Google Analysis code for us. So all you just need to do is to be patient, and it's going to pop up something for you. So it's creating your Google Analytics code. So Just be patient and it's going to pop this up. So we are going to click on the part where it said manually. So once we click on manually here, you just need to copy this your code. So once you copy this your code, you need to follow the step-by-step guide. You need to follow the step-by-step guide of what I'm doing here so that this your website will work for you. So just copy this URL here, copy it. So once you copy it, go to your Blogger dashboard and you need to go to the part here is said themes. So once you click on themes here, click on this drop down icon and you need to click on the part where it said edit HTML. Once you click on that, it's going to pop this up. So all you just need to do is to focus on the part where it said header. So I'm going to remove the previous Google analytics code that they have added. I'll remove that and I'm going to add the second one. You can see the part where it said team header or team head. This is where we are going to paste in the code. If we go to Google Analytics, you see that they are telling us to paste this our code under or below our head session, so which is this session here on our Blogger team dashboard. So that is what we are going to do. We are just going to paste the code here. So now that we have pasted the code, we just need to click on this part here where it said save. So once we click on save, the next thing we are going to do now is to go to our Google Analytics page here. So the next thing we have to do now is to close this page and close and close and close. So we are just going to click on next. So you can see data collecting is pending. So our Google Analytics account is collecting data from this particular website that we have just created. So that is it. So once you collect all the data from here, you can see the number of people that visit your website every single day, every single hour, every single seconds. You are going to be seeing them on this your Google Analytics page. So that is how it works. In 48 hours, once you come back to your Google Analytics dashboard, you are going to be seeing what is going on your website. So that is everything. That is how you can add Google Search Console and your Google Analytics to your blogging website. So that is everything I want to talk about on this part. So the last thing I want to talk about is that when you click on settings here, there is something that everybody is not aware of. So you see, when you click on my website here, you will see this icon here that is displaying at the top. So how to add this type of icons? So once you come to your Blogger settings, what you have to do is to scroll down. You will find a part where it says fave icon. So this is, which is this one here, fave icon. So I'll click on fave icon. What is going to take us here? What we have to do is to go and upload an image that is less than 100 KB to this our fave icon page or fave icon tab. So I will click on the part where it says choose file, and once I click on choose file from here, this is the fave icon I want to use. I will click on that and I will click on that. So I will click on save. So once I click on save, everything have been updated. So once I come to my own website and I will click on refresh, you will see that it's going to start displaying at the top here, like every one of all these websites that you can see on the screen here. So you can see our fave icon here. So that is everything I want to talk about, or how you can create this your affiliate marketing website or your blogging website. So you can see the website that we have created today, and you can see the previous official website here. So you can just look the both of them out and let me know what you think. So this is the website we plan to create today. This is the website we plan to create today, and we just did everything. If there is anything you didn't understand, you just need to repeat and watch it again, and you are going to be able to create this type of website for 100% free. So this is now our own official website. I try to show you on how you can create today. So you can do the same thing and anyone can do it. You don't need any experience or skills. As long as you can see what I'm doing, then you can do it too. So I'll say thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share this video. Let your friend know about this my video. And if you want to make money with affiliate program, you can watch this my video that will pop up right now. I will say thank you very much, guys, and I will see you on my next upcoming video. Thank you very much.